Hi and welcome to Embold. In this video series, I am going to guide you through Embold. In the first video, we're going to see how we can create a project in Embold, how we can link a repository to that project, and then finally, how to run a scan. So let's get started. First, we're going to create a new project. At this point, we want to give it a name. Let's call ours Sample Project. Now, we can add a description to any project. Let's call this one My Java Project. Hit Create Project and it's done. However, since we have a number of projects in our account, all of them do not appear on the home screen. So we'll just run a simple search to find the project we're looking for. Type the name of your project. And there it is. Now, we want to link a repository to this project in order to scan it. So we start by selecting a repository type from the drop-down here. In this case, Git, as our repository is hosted on GitHub. Now, we want to copy the link to a repository that you will find right here. Let's go back into the platform and give our repository a name. We'll choose the name the repository already has. In this case, caffeine. You can copy and paste or type it out. Now let's select our language. In this case, Java, as the repository is primarily in Java. Now finally, we copy the link we want and paste it in the mandatory URL field right here. Hit Link Repository and voila, our repository is linked and ready to be scanned. Now that a repository is linked to our project, we can scan it. You either hit the scan button right here or select Scan Repository from this drop-down right here. Let's hit scan and see what happens. At this stage, we can select how we want to scan a repository, either by branch, tag, or commit ID. Let's choose a tag for this one. Just select your desired option and hit scan. Now Embold has gotten to work, and here on the left-hand side is the scan queue icon. Click on this icon and you can see your entire scan history within Embold. The progress bar here shows you the progress of your current running scan. Right now, our scan is 10% complete. If we click on this bar, it shows us the stage the scan is currently at. As the scan progresses, more and more information will be appended here. The scan duration can differ for each repository based on its size. Now the fun part starts. This particular repository has an overall rating of 2.82, which is fairly good. The Embold score or overall rating is a comprehensive quality rating given to a repository based on metrics like duplication and code issues. It's measured on a scale of -5 to +5, with +5 being the absolute best. We're going to drill down on what each element of the Embold score is and how you can interpret it in the upcoming videos.